Thanks for being here. This is too kind. I can't tell you how excited I am personally and professionally to be back here in Fort Collins at CSU and at this place. And this is about people. And it's about establishing a connection. It's being connected with the people here in Fort Collins, because I'm a big believer when people feel connected, they're invested.
Pretty good.
I've seen this place at its best. I've seen what it can be. There's no better time to be here in Fort Collins and at CSU than there is right now.